Hi guys, here in our store. So our Mr. Nasmul, this one, they are preparing for my uniform. See, because just arrived and need to distribute to our staff. So it's very hard work of Nasmul. See, hi Nasmul, how are you? See. So that is our store here. Look at that. Wow, it's good and clean up, no? See, it's good arrangement. See, look at that. This is the floor. Yeah. See, our storage here. See, at least you can see it to see that our place here in Sharma stores. So here, just surrounding to our storage here. Yep. So this is the one they're sitting there. The two guys, name is Kiran and Miss Francine. So we'll be to close it. Miss Francine, this is a vlog. So please watch. Please watch my vlog. Oh, very handsome guy and very sexy and pretty. Miss Francine. Yeah, this is our office also. Yes. So I just want to show it to you that our place. And yeah, it's surrounding little bit while. Yes, at least memorable for working here in Tabuk. So yeah, see, look at the place. Yes. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe also. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good one. Bye.